iPhone or iPad software upgrade process can do via over-the-air update and using iTunes or Finder on PC and Mac. Recently user-facing issue iPhone stuck while updating. Some are with the Apple logo and some are Apple logo with loading bar or Apple logo with boot loop. You guys having the same issue? Let's follow the steps that I'll show you in this video. Before getting started, to subscribe my channel to get more future iPhone and iPad tips. The first solution is you should force restart your iPhone for Face ID models and iPhone 8 users. Don't bother with this method, you don't lose your data. Your device is simply turned off and then back on. It doesn't clear and cache or reset anything. Let's check how to do this. Once again, no important data will be lost to try this way. To hard reset your iPhone X or later iPhone 11, 12, and 13 series, press and release the volume up button, press and release the down button, then press and hold the side button. Continue holding the side button until your screen goes black and the Apple logo reappears. For home button iPhone 7 and 7 Plus users, press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake button at the same time. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons and your phone will back on. Way to force restart iPhone 6s users. Let's press and hold both the home button and the sleep wake button at the same time. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons and your phone will back on. After force restart, try to download and install the update again. If force restart solution not working, then go to next solution. Connect and update your iPhone in recovery mode, using Mac and PC. First, connect your iPhone to Mac via lightning cable to Finder on macOS Catalina, or later, or use latest iTunes for macOS Mojave and earlier and Windows PC. Then hard reboot your iPhone and put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone X, iPhone 11, 12, and 13 series, follow this way to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Quickly press and release volume up button and volume down button. Next, press and hold side power until your iPhone goes black screen and your Finder show the update option in recovery mode. Go with update button and your iPhone will request you to download latest software update from the Apple server. Once you download the update, and keep your iPhone connected with Mac until the installation is complete. It will take some time, depends on the internet connection and your iPhone storage. Hope you fixed your problem on iOS 15 installation. Let's share in a comment below. Also thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.